You think turmeric is just trendy, but what if a golden drink offers real science-backed benefits from memory to mood? One simple recipe could reduce inflammation, boost heart health, and even support bone strength. Today we dive into 9 incredible benefits of golden milk that might transform your wellness routine. Welcome to Levitas. Have you tried golden milk before? Leave your experience and questions in the comments. What is golden milk? Golden milk is a nourishing drink made by blending turmeric powder with a liquid, like dairy, plant-based milk, or just water, often enhanced with black pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and healthy fats like coconut oil. This traditional Ayurvedic beverage is cherished for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich properties. Turmeric's active compound curcumin is poorly absorbed alone, but combining it with piperine from black pepper increases absorption by 2000%, unlocking its health potential. Golden milk offers a flavorful, gentle way to integrate curcumin into your diet, supporting wellness without extra supplements. It's simple, comforting, and backed by science.
Low energy, belly fat, weak drive? Most men eat 5 foods that quietly destroy T levels. My free guide shows you what to avoid and what to eat instead to reclaim your health, strength, and metabolism. Backed by science. Built for men. Download it free now. Your body will love you. Link in the description.
1. Antioxidant effects. Golden milk delivers powerful antioxidant effects that protect your body from oxidative stress, a root cause of aging, inflammation, and chronic disease. The star ingredient, curcumin, is one of the most potent antioxidants found in nature, capable of neutralizing free radicals and boosting the body's own antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase. A 2017 study in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition confirmed that curcumin supplementation significantly increased antioxidant capacity and reduced markers of oxidative damage in humans. Other ingredients, such as cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper, further enhance this effect, creating a synergistic blend that goes beyond turmeric alone. The combined flavors magnify the cocktail of polyphenols and volatile oils that combat oxidative stress. Regular consumption of golden milk helps reduce damage to lipids, proteins, and DNA, lowering the risk of disease. This protects mitochondria, supports better energy production, and slows cellular aging. For anyone wanting a flavorful, science-backed approach to longevity and metabolic health, golden milk's antioxidant profile is a powerful tool. 2. Reduced inflammation and joint pain. Chronic inflammation contributes to joint pain, stiffness, and degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Curcumin, the key component of golden milk, is a natural anti-inflammatory compound shown to inhibit NF-kappa B, a molecular pathway that drives inflammation. A 2016 randomized trial published in Phytotherapy Research demonstrated that curcumin supplementation reduced arthritis pain and improved physical function comparably to ibuprofen, but without side effects. Golden milk, fortified with black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon, enhances curcumin's efficacy by delivering complementary anti-inflammatory molecules like piperine, gingerol, and cinnamaldehyde. These compounds reduce joint inflammation and swelling, easing stiffness. Also, golden milk supports cartilage health by inhibiting enzymes that degrade collagen and cartilage tissue. Regular intake may help athletes recover faster from microtears and soreness, offering natural muscle recovery support. Individuals with joint pain or stiffness can benefit from daily consumption to moderate inflammation and improve mobility. With consistent use, golden milk helps push back against inflammatory triggers, not just masking symptoms, but addressing root cause pathways for lasting relief. 3. Improved memory and brain function. Golden milk isn't just comforting, it's also brain boosting. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a critical protein that supports neuron growth, memory, and cognitive resilience. A 2014 study in Phytomedicine found that elderly adults taking curcumin supplementation showed significant improvements in memory and attention tests after 18 months. The combination of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects protects brain cells from damage linked to aging and stress. Golden milk's ingredients like ginger, black pepper, and cinnamon further support cognitive function by improving blood circulation to the brain and lowering insulin resistance, a known contributor to cognitive decline. Regular consumption of golden milk may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and supports clearer thinking, longer attention spans, and improved learning. Incorporating golden milk into your nightly routine is a gentle, delicious way to nourish the mind, support healthy aging, and even sharpen your focus throughout the day. 4. Better mood. Curcumin in golden milk may improve your mood and reduce profound sadness symptoms. A 2014 meta-analysis in phytotherapy research found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced sadness symptoms and improved quality of life. Its ability to lower inflammation and increase BDNF supports resilience and emotional balance. With its comforting flavor and nighttime ritual, golden milk also promotes relaxation and stress relief, making it an excellent drink to end the day with calm focus and positivity.
Want to become a high-performance machine? Track your supplements, sleep, hydration, and fat-burning habits, all in one simple tool. This daily tracker keeps you consistent, focused, and results-driven. Download it free now and start operating like a metabolic pro. Real results come from what you track. Link in the description.
5. Better heart health. Golden milk supports heart health through multiple pathways. Curcumin lowers LDL cholesterol oxidation, reduces blood pressure, and improves endothelial function. This is the inner lining of blood vessels, supporting circulation and reducing cardiovascular risk. A 2015 randomized clinical trial in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced serum LDL levels and enhanced vascular elasticity. Milk, especially plant-based like almond or coconut, provides heart-healthy fats and fiber. Cinnamon contributes additional cardiovascular benefits by improving blood sugar control, which reduces damage to arteries. Black pepper enhances absorption of curcumin and contains compounds that inhibit platelet aggregation, reducing clot risk. Regular consumption has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation like C-reactive protein, a known predictor of heart disease. For those aiming to support healthy cholesterol and circulation, golden milk offers a natural, delicious alternative to synthetic medications or bitter herbal extracts. 6. Blood sugar control. Golden milk plays a supportive role in blood sugar control and improved insulin sensitivity, critical for fat loss, metabolic health, and disease prevention. Curcumin has been shown to reduce fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin A1c in individuals with type 2 diabetes. A 2019 meta-analysis in diabetes and metabolic syndrome confirmed that curcumin supplementation decreases insulin resistance and improves glycemic markers. Additional ingredients like cinnamon and ginger complement this effect. Cinnamon improves insulin receptor sensitivity and slows carbohydrate digestion, while ginger reduces glucose absorption and inflammation. Black pepper enhances these effects by improving curcumin bioavailability, making golden milk more effective. For individuals with prediabetes or those trying to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals, golden milk can be a strategy to pair with high-fat, high-protein foods. Consuming golden milk in a low-carb or balanced meal context can blunt glucose surges and lower demand on insulin. When used consistently, golden milk helps stabilize energy levels, reduce sugar cravings, and support healthier metabolic metrics, even in those practicing intermittent fasting or mindful eating. 7. Immune system boost. Golden milk supports your immune system naturally. Curcumin modulates immune response by balancing pro- and anti-inflammatory cytokines. A 2018 review in Frontiers in Immunology showed curcumin enhances immune cell function and may reduce severity of infections. Honey and ginger in the recipe provide additional antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory support. Regular consumption primes your body's defenses, helping ward off illnesses and supporting faster recovery if you do get sick. 8. Digestion. Golden milk is gentle on the digestive system. Turmeric stimulates bile flow, improving fat digestion and reducing bloating. Ginger soothes the stomach and alleviates nausea, while cinnamon helps balance microbial activity and ease gas. Drinking golden milk before bed may relieve indigestion, support digestive enzyme activity, and promote healthy motility. Its warm, spiced blend is a natural remedy for occasional discomfort and supports long-term gut health. 9. Stronger bones. Golden milk supports bone health through multiple nutrients. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for bone mineral density. Turmeric's curcumin has been found to reduce bone loss by inhibiting osteoclast activity, as shown in a 2016 study in phytotherapy research. Cinnamon and ginger contain trace minerals like manganese and potassium that contribute to skeletal strength. Regular consumption therefore supports structural integrity, reducing osteoporosis risk, especially when combined with weight-bearing activity and vitamin D optimization.
Want to burn fat and build muscle faster? I created a free science-backed supplements guide to boost your energy, fire up your T levels, and ignite your metabolism. No fluff, just results. Download the free guide now and start your body transformation today. Link in the description. This is how metabolic men optimize their stack.
In conclusion, golden milk is more than a soothing bedtime drink, it's a potent tool for your long-term health. With its rich concentration of antioxidants, golden milk fights oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and chronic disease. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties support joint health, reducing pain and stiffness naturally. By enhancing memory, boosting BDNF, and protecting against cognitive decline, it sharpens both brain function and emotional resilience. Golden milk also promotes a balanced blood sugar and heart health by lowering LDL oxidation and blood pressure. It strengthens the immune system, soothes digestion, and nourishes your bones with minerals and curcumin's bone protective effects. Each ingredient, from turmeric to ginger, works in harmony to provide a holistic health boost. Backed by scientific research and rooted in ancient wisdom, golden milk is an easy, delicious way to enhance well-being from the inside out, one sip at a time. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.